Hi guys, it's Sherry. So today we are going to be making a really neat pair of earrings, and the first thing that you need is your 18 karat gold Primo clay. I have this rolled out to my third thickest setting, and that's about the thickness that you are going to want. And what we are going to do is we are just going to kind of mark where, and I'm actually going to do this upside down so I don't cut through. I want to mark exactly where I am going to cut my pieces out. So just turn your cutter upside down and make your marks. Then I am going to use this particular stamp, and I am just going to start stamping my clay. So I want to just follow it. And that's about the style that you are going to want, okay? So you're going to kind of go offset on each one. I'm actually going to do a little bit at the top so I get a little imprint there as well. This particular stamp is from Create Along, and I could leave a link in the description box if you're interested. All right, so once you have that all done, you are going to get, and I have this, it's a green mica powder. So it will, as you turn it, it's a mica shift powder. As you turn it, you'll see the colors kind of shine through, and I'll show you that in a minute. So you can see now how it kind of changes colors as you turn it and move it around. So my next step is going to be to get my little dot tool, and I am just going to go straight down, but I'm going to leave a little space for where, actually let's just cut that right away. So we are going to just put a hole right in the middle right away of where we want our earpiece to go. What do you call that? Our fish hook. So we'll put that right in right away. And then I am going to take my dotting tool, and I am just going to, I'm going to use my bigger side and just kind of push down just a bit. It goes straight down the middle, and I just want to put a tiny little bit of like indent into this. So I want to go straight down the middle here, smooth that out so you have like a little concave going on. And then you're going to get your liquid Polymer clay, and this is translucent, and just put a tiny bit in there. There's a line going right down. I'm going to get my wax paper, and I am just going to kind of put this right on here. So this way I don't get my little pieces all over my earring. Just lay that flat down. I want to stay right where my little concave is, and that's it. And then I'm going to take my silver little rocks, and then I am going to fill this area up. I'm just going to press down lightly. And then carefully pull everything off to the side onto your wax paper. I just want to make sure I have everything pressed down real nice. And fill that up as much as possible. All right, now let's cut our pieces out. All right, and now the last thing we gotta do, where is it? You'll get something that has a point, and then we are just going to go right around our piece. And that's what we have. So now I'm going to put this in the oven at 275 for a half hour, and then we'll come back and see the results of it. All right, guys, so my pieces are out of the oven. They did cool off. I put one together right away to show you, and look how great these came out. I mean, what a simple earring, and they came out so beautiful. I'm going to show you quickly how I did this. So I have my eye pin, and this is like a medium one, and then I just have my wood beads. So I have a larger one and then a smaller one, and I am going to take this, you bend it that way, and then you take and go right around, and then you can connect it that way. Okay, so this side is a little short. You can see it wants to go into the bead. So I am going to reopen this, and then I will actually take this and make my circle bigger. So that way it can't go through the bead. All right, so very, very simple. Then I take my jump ring. I'm going to put it in my hole. Oh, and I also use my Sculpey Gloss Glaze on top of this to seal the mica powder, and it helps seal the silver rock. You take this, you put that on, close it all the way, and then take your fish hook, open that up, put that on, and then just close it. Oops. And that's it, and there's your earring. I mean, how beautiful and simple are these? So how beautiful and simple were these? I really do hope you guys enjoyed creating these pieces with me. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. It really does help get my videos out there, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.